How to get window sticker by VIN. To get a window sticker, just type DVH window sticker by VIN. Go to Product and Services and select Window Sticker Lookup tool. To get a window sticker by VIN, fill your information and press Get Access Now. Your window sticker is nearly generated. Just verify the information on screen and click Proceed to Checkout to get your window sticker in seconds. Once you have completed the purchase, simply go to the Reports page to view your detailed window sticker. You can also get Vehicle History Report. Let's break down a window sticker to understand exactly what it includes. Vehicle description shows the correct year, make, model, trim, and series accurately along with the interior and exterior color of the vehicle from the factory. Factory-installed standard equipment contain all necessary information about the equipment fitted by the factory, including exterior and interior of vehicle. Mechanical features include vehicle's engine, battery, brakes, and suspension details like linkages, springs, and shock absorbers. Safety security options include all safety-related options on a vehicle. Option information and packages show all the options and packages which were added to the vehicle when it was first purchased. Learn the true MSRP with the added options and packages when available. Total vehicle price, which includes MSRP, manufacturer's suggested retail price, along with shipping charges to the destination. Fuel economy allows you to understand exactly how much the vehicle consumes, which shows you average miles driven in city versus highway, including the annual fuel cost for an average driver. Environment safety ratings show the smog rating scale, which is based on the U.S. vehicle emission standards, which incorporate specific thresholds for nitrogen oxides, non-methane organic gas, carbon monoxide, particulate matter, and formaldehyde. The rating is on a scale of 1 to 10, and vehicles that score a 10 are the cleanest. Safety ratings include ratings on the basis of front, side, and rollover vehicle injury endorsed by NHTSA. Vehicle warranty information include bumper-to-bumper, powertrain, or other manufacturer warranties. Simply visit to the website online to obtain your window sticker for all cars, trucks, motorcycles, and classic vehicles. To get 50% discount on window stickers and vehicle history reports, use code SOCIAL50 on checkout or speak to live chat agent for assistance.